Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Power BI, one of the project. You can see here I have a dashboard of the project. This is Zomato Restaurants, okay, a project, and then the data manipulation is worldwide. And how I arrange the dashboard here. You can see the total restaurant, total cuisines, and then the data spread in the country wise, and total restaurant by city. And here I arrange some slicer, okay, for the country, continent, and city. And here some pie charts, it's showing that online delivery and table booking. So how we can do it, that's just I have added new page to start over. For the data, just I'm going to give you the okay, for the small brief for the data. You can see that we have country code, cuisines, fact table, and Zomato global. If I'll go to transform data, you can see that we have some files loaded here. Okay, Zomato Africa, Asia, Europe. All the information was in the separate Excel sheets, and all the data is loaded here. And then after that, Zomato global, it's combined together. And in the transform, if you go here, we combine, and then we just bring only 4 tables: country, cuisine, fact table, and Zomato global. For the data in Excel, if you I show you, these are the files here, Excel files, and the same I used here, these files. And I have some images, so we can use it additionally if we need. So just go to start this. Just here we will go to report view, and then first total restaurant I created that. If we go to Zomato global, and here you can find that, yeah, here you can see that I added some measures also. There are some combined calculated column added here, and there are some few tables measures also added: cuisine count and fact table, also average cost and average rating as per project requirement. And then here total restaurant we calculated here. So if you click here, you can get that total restaurant. And the second, you want to just copy this one, control C and control V. And then if you want to change this one, remove this from the total to total cuisines. You can go and cuisines, you have to go to get the cuisines total, average cost. Okay, just get it average cost, then copy paste average rating and cuisine count. Yes, cuisine count. You can go control C, control V, or also you can go and take another card, and then here you can add the cuisine count. and then you can arrange it here. For this one, if you'll see, I have some colors also added here. So just I'll go to show you how you can make it. We will go to format, and then there is some settings for that. You can see the font color, you can change it also if you want. You can change it like this. Then go to general and go to effect, color. You can change this color. Okay, and then the border, I just choose this border, so it is giving. For the settings you have to go and check as per what you like. And then for the border also I gave this color for the border, and then color shadow I gave the black, and this is outside. You can see the shade is coming outside. For me, I just put inside, so it's giving like a 3D some shapes. And then I gave the edge, border I gave the corner little bit. You can see the round shape. So you can change it also. Go to effect, visual border, and keep it 10. So you can see that this is, text I already changed just now, but if you want to change it again, so it's white is looking good with this. And then you can go to the title, and you want to change anything here, you can also change this. For the title, it's not shown here. Page wallpaper, sorry, you have to select this, and you have to change it, this one. Okay, once it's done, you can do this format painter. You can match all the properties, same property for all. You can also this one, you can see that this is also updated the same, and you can use it the same for this and for this also. So you can see that total restaurant also I can arrange here. Then total cuisines, can give some space and then arrange here. And third one, average cost. Wait, this total restaurant 2 times. This total restaurant, cuisines count, and then average cost, and then average rating. Yeah, let me remove this, and then I'll give this average rating. So this 4 cards we have with the information updated here. Now I'll go to take the map, and here I have to show the Zomato restaurants country wise. So first I'll go here for the country. I click here in the country, you can see, and for this one we'll add total restaurant here. So once you'll hover over there, it's showing that Canada there are 4 total restaurants, and India at 652 restaurants. If you want to change the color, you can also bring this one in the legend, and you can see that it's showing the color. To format this also, you have to either you can match it. Let me try to match this one. What is happening? You can see that background, it's changed. So if you like this color, then okay, you can keep it like this. For this color legend, you want to hide this, just uncheck this, and this is the map. Then we have total restaurant by cuisines. Just go to add the tree map, and then we will go to total restaurant and cuisines. So you can see that North Indian has 936 is the maximum cuisines that hotels are serving. I also match this one, same. I think this is background color, we have to remove that. So just go here and then go to color, general, title is okay, effect, header, go to title, if I change this one, it is coming completely. Background is this, border, shadow. Then you can go and change it accordingly. You can go again to the format tab, and then you general, go to general, title, and the color you can choose this. Okay, text color is white, and then background color is this one. So this is looking same as this one. Yes, this is okay. So for the bold also, if you want to make it bold, you can make this total restaurant by cuisine bold, and this one I will just match this also. So the background blue color, yeah, so the background will remove from here. Okay, next is the total restaurant by city, and I have to add these two visuals here, graphs, total restaurant by city. And okay, for this let me just add some slicer, and this slicer will be for the country wise. There are three ways to add this. Okay, data in the feed the data in that cards or charts. Either you can drag and drop here, this will also work, or just you will click here, check this, it will also come here. And the third one, you can drag and drop here, this field. Okay, so this slicer is added here. Now if you want to change this slicer, go to slicer setting, and then you can make it tile, you can make it drop down, or you want to take it the list, it will become the list. So this time I'm just going to check this as a drop down, and then I'll move it here. And then color also you can change it, try to match this one with this, and then color I'll give this slicer effect is white. I can give this one text color also. You want to change this text color, You can go to visuals, slicer header, and then we can change it to white color and bold. So the country, I can change this one also, but once we change it to white, it was all the text country were going to be white color, so I just keep black. And then you can just copy paste this one also, the same if you want, or if you want to add another slicer, just go to this time. I can go and add the continent was calculated, that added new column, so I just drag and drop here continent. You can see that Asia, Africa. Once you'll click on the Asia, you can see all the visuals are changing accordingly. Then here also I'll use the same drop down, or just try to match this one with this. And then this is coming like a slicer setting tile. I can use the drop down, and you can align this one also parallelly. For this side also you can align. And third slicer is the city. I have added here, so just go to add this slicer city also, just copy paste this, any one of these, and you can add it here, remove the country, and then you can go to Zomato global and check the city. Once you come here, just click here, go to format, and then I am just going to change the slicer drop down to tile, vertical list, and then you can see we have a list. Now we have some text here, and then this some images I added here. So just you can go to insert and then text box. You can insert this one, data manipulation worldwide. You can change the size of these. Just drag it and put it at the make it bold. Yeah, here I added Zomato image, so you can insert the image from here. You can go to image, and then I have here the file, image file. You can go and insert it here. These cards I have, then we have some image for this. Okay, just let me go to insert and save. I just added some shapes here. And I change the color, go to style, and I just go to change some color. And once it's selected, just I'll go to format and send to back. So like this also you can arrange this. Let me just make it little bit small. These cards, I think this is okay. From height wise also you can make it the same. Once you'll copy paste, it will be the same, but I just tried to explain that one by one how I did. So just you can select all 4 and you can move it by pressing the left right cursor, arrow keyboard from the keyboard, and you can align this one here. You can make it a small. So this is fitting here. Data manipulation worldwide, I put it here. And then for the background, just you can go without selecting any visuals cards, just go to here visualization and then go to format, and you can see the canvas setting and page property, canvas background. If you go and change here, yes, this is here. Even you can bring some image also. You can see that background also going to change. I just make it undo. I don't need this, and then just go again and then canvas setting, canvas background, and then I just go to change to this color gray, and then transparency you can change it to 0. Everything is looking perfect. Just this one for the background of this text, just select this and go to effect, and then effect you can okay, then we will go to property, effect background, and then transparency 0 here. Just you have to go to change, and the color I use the color white. Let me check this color background. I think this is the same color I use here. Yes, and then here I can change the color. You can make it white color also, so it is showing the same. And now go to insert, and you can make some line also. To look visual interactive, and I can arrange it here. So just let me see what is the balance. It's almost is. We have these 2 images I have to add here. Okay, let me just go to add some charts here. This is the chart I use here, this clustered bar chart, and this one also the same cluster bar chart, and this is pie chart. These 2, you can see that pie chart. So just move here and then just go to click on the cluster by chart, and here it's showing that total restaurant by city. So just go to click on the city and total restaurant, click one by one, total restaurant by city. You can see that it's showing here, and then I'll just go to minimize that. So it's, you can sort it that by default it's already sorted by descending order. You want to sort it ascending, you can change it. So you can see the total restaurant is sorted descending, that maximum restaurant is showing that on the top, and which is in India, New Delhi. And then second, just let me match this one. Okay, next slicer I'm just going to add, you can see the color. If you want to change the color of these bars here, I'll just go to update these. These are the X level, Y level. If you want to show the value, so the bars, go to bars and change the color if you want to change it. Just align this one. Just I copy this one and then I will paste here, and this time I need total restaurant by color rating. So the total restaurant is okay. City, I'll just go to and check the city, and fact table you will see that we have rating color. Let's go to select this orange, and then it's saying that not rated, yellow, red and green. If you go to select this one, go here in the filter. Okay, in the rating color, just expand this, and if you uncheck this one, I just filter out this not rated, because I don't want to see this much not rated graphs. This is for the rating color. So just uncheck this one and then minimize it. So you can see that not rated is removed from here, and then the information is showing here. And the next, you want to add the color. Then I'll move to the format and then go to bar, and here just click and check that you can see the color. If you want to change this one, you can change it, but here this time I'm just going to show all. So you can see the orange, yellow, red, green and dark green. Just go to change this to orange. Okay, one by one we have to change it, and then change this one to yellow. So I'm trying to match it. Okay, then red, green, there is two types of green it's showing here. One is light green and other is okay. I'll just go to change one more. It's the dark green. I'll keep here somewhere. Okay, so now you can see that all the bars color change as per the text. And next I have to add the pie chart, and then the pie chart is showing that online delivery and table booking. So just I'm going to add the It is the fact table, average cost, Zomato Global, has online delivery. Just go to click on that, and then the value will be the total restaurant. So the showing total restaurant has online delivery. This time I'm just going to change these. So here also you can go and format it. The color also, slice color, you can add it for yes and no. For no you can add it yellow, or I think orange is looking good. And then for this one, keep it as it is. For the text, you can do some settings here. Detail level, it's showing that outside. If you want to go to change to inside, you can see that it's moving. And what you want to show here, I have to show the percentage of total, and you can see here the value will be in white color bold, and display unit is okay, the same. Yes, the decimal places, zero decimal places I added here. So you can see this, the same I added here. There is some yes and no also I added. So this time you can update, and you can go and here also the name is on online delivery and total booking. We are working on the here online delivery. So just go here and general, go to title, and you can just mention here has online delivery. And you can make it bold also. Just try to match this. Oh, the color also changed. Okay, no problem. We will just go quick and just change this one to orange, and this is okay. So this card is ready. Pie chart, online delivery, and then yeah, for if you want to match this one exactly, just go to property and try to play with some settings here. For me, just it is almost same everything, just I'm trying to match this one. Let me just copy from there, sorry. And this is, you can see that yes no also came. Here the corner is not rounded, in that you can see that my dashboard all the corners are not rounded. Here we use the rounded. So if you want to round it, just you can go and you can change it here in the effect, shadow, visual border, and then here we use 10. Yeah, so also we change this one. And the next, just copy paste, and this time I need has table booking, and remove this. And the color also you can go and change the slice color is orange. Yes, So now I think all the tasks we completed the same. You can see the shape, something is little bit different here. Also you can update it. Even you can go to insert and you can change the shapes. You can rotate it to 90 degree. You can go and change the style also. There are several options, you can go and change it. So I keep, if this visual is okay for me, I just keep it as it is, and then I'll go to add one more image for now, and then you can place it somewhere here. Okay, what is the use of this image? I just go to show you. This Zomato, there is option to go to action, just click it on, and then from here there are some options. You want to go back by clicking this, or you want to use the bookmark, or you want to use the web URL. Just go to put the Zomato web URL, what I use already here. Once I'll click here, it's showing the control, and click here to follow the link. If you see the action, I just use the Zomato link, just I copy paste here, and then I will go here in the action again, and then I copy paste here this one. And once you will go here, it's showing that click control plus click here. If you hold the control key and click it here, it is going to open Zomato website. So this is how we can link this image, and this one worldwide. You can link it the same. Go to action and you can link what I did here also. This is also link. You can see that action. And then third one, if you will go to page 1, I created okay, here I use the maximize, the visuals. So I use this country, you can see slicer setting is style mode, and this one I use here. So if you'll go to this image, it's showing that next page, go to next page. If I click here, control and then click, so you can see that it's moving to the next page. And once I click here, then it's moving to next page. So this is how we can use the image and put the action on it. If I click here, then it's coming the backward direction. So like this you can make the dashboard. If you have any concern regarding this dashboard, and if you want to share your opinion, just comment. And it's looking perfect. So thank you for watching.